What's up guys, welcome to Bro Beats, and today I'm going to be updating you on my site real quick. So a lot of you may know when you download some of my kits you have to go through like AdFly stuff. So what I've done is actually deleted all of those links, all right, and now everything is actually hosted on my site. It took me a while to do that because I have to re-download everything, then re-patch everything and then upload it back on my site. But everything is now, every single kit on my entire site right here is hosted with my site, and you don't have to go to any third-party websites or anything. All right, so what is that? So every kit here, if you want to download any of these older kits, it'll automatically download, as you see right here, every single one. And I'll just go through a few just to show you. So if you've ever wanted any of these kits and you just had trouble downloading them in the past, you can download them now. Every single one, you just click through them, download them, save them, and some of them are large files, but most of them are under 50 megabytes, right? So this is how everything will go on my site from now on, and future sites as I make or up, but yeah. So I just wanted to update you guys on that. So if you are missing any of these kits, I'm gonna leave a link in the description and in the comment section so that you can go get these right now and just download them. I'm just go through a few of these real quick. All right, so no more AdFly or whatever, and yeah, all of these. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go download these kits if you don't have them, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.